Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is planning to use liquid metal in the hinges of its upcoming foldable iPhone to enhance durability and reduce screen creasing, according to renowned analyst Ming Chico. The design choice is expected to address some of the most common issues associated with foldable devices, such as maintaining screen fitness and minimizing visible crease marks. Liquid metal, known for its strength and flexibility, is manufactured through a die casting process and has been used in smaller Apple components like seam ejector pins. However, the foldable iPhone will mark Apple's first major implementation of liquid metal in a key mechanical part, specifically the hinge system. According to Ku, Dongguan Aeon Tech will be the exclusive supplier of this innovative material. Reports indicate that Apple's foldable iPhone will feature a 7.8-inch main display when fully unfolded and a 5.5-inch cover display, adopting a pretty cool book-style design similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold. Rather than a clamshell structure, the design is intended to optimize usability and provide a larger, more immersive screen experience. Additional rumors suggest that the device may include two rear cameras, a single front-facing camera, and Touch ID integrated into the power button. It's also expected to be impressively slim, measuring just 4.5 mm thick when unfolded and between 9 mm and 9.5 mm when folded flat. Mass production of Apple's foldable iPhone is rumored to begin in the fourth quarter of 2026, indicating that the device could launch sometime in late 2026 or early 2027. If these reports hold true, Apple's use of liquid metal could set its foldable iPhone apart from competitors by significantly improving screen durability and reducing creasing, a pain point for many foldable device users. As always, stay tuned for more updates as Apple continues to refine its innovative technology. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool updates. Take care.